Hi everyone, welcome to our Patreon page. Today, we're excited to dive into the world of photography and beauty with Face of India, a company that is set to change the game. Are you tired of the same old-fashioned photography? Do you want to experience something new and unique? Look no further, because Face of India is here. Every month, we release 2 exclusive projects and 4 high fashion and workshop events that will leave you breathless. Our Patreon subscribers have exclusive access to all of our content, including our stunning boudoir theme, implied theme, nude art collection, high fashion, and portraits. This is not your average photography company. This is a celebration of the beauty and art of India. Think you've seen it all in photography? Think again. Our founder, Saurish Mukherjee, started Face of India in 2017 and has worked with over 300 models to create stunning images that will blow your mind. And the best part, our company has only grown since then, with a valuation of $3,000 in 2018 and a whopping $14,000 in 2020. The future is bright for Face of India, with a valuation of $18,000 in 2021 and $43,000 in 2022. But we're not stopping there. Our goal is to work with actresses and celebrities from India, showcasing the beauty and art of our country to the world. And don't worry, all of our projects are in compliance with Indian law, ensuring that we operate within the bounds of legality and ethics. So, are you ready to join us on this journey? Subscribe to our Patreon page and experience the beauty and art of India for yourself. Trust us, you won't regret it. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Terms and conditions for Face of India. Introduction. These terms and conditions govern your access to and use of Face of India's services, including its exclusive projects and workshops, available through its Patreon page. By accessing and using the services, you agree to be bound by these terms. Eligibility. To be eligible to use the services, you must be at least 18 years of age and have the capacity to enter into a legally binding agreement. If you are under 18 years of age, you may only use the services with the involvement of a parent or legal guardian. Subscription. To access Face of India's exclusive projects and workshops, you must become a subscriber of the company's Patreon page. The subscription fee and payment terms will be disclosed to you before you subscribe. Face of India reserves the right to modify the subscription fee and payment terms at any time. Content. All of Face of India's exclusive projects and workshops, including any images, videos, or other content, is protected by copyright, trademark, and other intellectual property laws. You may only use the content for personal, non-commercial purposes. You may not copy, modify, distribute, sell, or license the content without the express written consent of Face of India. Proprietary rights. The services and the content are the property of Face of India and its licensors and are protected by applicable intellectual property laws. Except as explicitly permitted by these terms, you may not use, copy, modify, distribute, sell, or license any part of the services or content. Legal compliance. Face of India ensures that all its projects and workshops are in compliance with Indian law and regulations. By accessing and using the services, you agree to comply with all applicable laws and regulations. Disclaimer of warranties. Face of India provides the services as is and without any warranty or condition, express or implied. Face of India does not guarantee that the services will be error-free, timely, or uninterrupted. You use the services at your own risk. Limitation of liability. Face of India will not be liable for any direct, indirect, incidental, special, or consequential damages arising out of or in connection with your use of the services, including but not limited to damages for loss of profits, goodwill, use, data, or other intangible losses. Termination. Face of India may terminate your access to the services at any time, without notice, for any reason, including without limitation if you breach these terms. Governing law. These terms and your use of the services will be governed by and construed in accordance with the laws of India. Dispute resolution. Any dispute arising out of or relating to these terms or the services will be resolved through binding arbitration in accordance with the rules of the Indian Arbitration and Conciliation Act, 1996. Entire agreement. These terms constitute the entire agreement between you and Face of India regarding the use of the services and supersede all prior or contemporaneous communications and proposals, whether electronic, oral, or written, between you and Face of India. If any provision of these terms is found to be invalid or unenforceable, the remaining provisions will remain in full force and effect. By accessing and using the services, you acknowledge that you have read, understood, and agree to be bound by these terms. If you have any questions about these terms, please contact Face of India.